In a far-off, beautiful place called the Highlands, lived a friendly bighorn sheep named Bingo. He had a fluffy coat, curly horns, and twinkling eyes. And he loved to play in the meadows with his friends. One sunny day, Bingo felt a peculiar itch. A feeling he'd never felt before. He scratched and scratched, but it didn't go away. So he decided to go and explore. He climbed the Rocky Mountains with the wind in his curly hair. He met a wise old owl who smiled and said, "Fear not, my dear. A new adventure awaits you on the other side of the hill," the owl said with a wink. And Bingo felt a thrill. He continued on his journey across the vast, green meadow. He saw a beautiful waterfall and a path that led to it narrow. Bingo took a deep breath and stepped onto the winding path. It led him through a dark forest where he met a family of bats. "Don't be afraid, little sheep," said the bats with soft, high voices. "We're just on our way home, and we're happy to make some noise." Bingo smiled and continued on, feeling braver each day. He met a family of deer who taught him how to dance and play. He danced and twirled and laughed with joy, and felt his itchy spot fade away. He realized that sometimes going on an adventure can help in a unique way. Bingo returned to his friends with a twinkle in his eyes and a bounce in his step. He told them of his adventure, and they all cheered and clapped with glee. From that day on, Bingo was known as the bravest bighorn sheep of all, and he continued to explore, making new friends and learning from each fall. So, remember, dear friends, to always be brave and kind, for you never know what you might find in a new adventure that's just blind.